Okay, do you need help? Okay. I'll help you. I'll pull one arm if you come over here. Okay. You can do it, baby. Do you want Mommy to help? Okay, then do it. You can do it. I'm staying right here. Okay. You do it. You show me how to do it. Show me how you do it. You're going to put it in the basket. Okay. You have to take it off first. Do you need some help? Then it's okay, buddy. You can do it. Stay right here. Okay. You're almost there. Yay! You got your arm out. Okay, now what? Pull it down from the bottom or the top. Okay, now what? You want help now? You want help? There we go. You want help? Yay! You did it. Okay, good job. Good job. Yay, Jack. You did it. Leave your diaper on. You don't do that one yet.